Hey guys, and welcome back to Learn How to Dance, where you can find step-by-step tutorial of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, Fortnite dances, and other awesome dances. So, today we're going to do a dance tutorial of how to do the DaBaby Rockstar dance on TikTok. Now, I know it's a bit confusing that I just released a tutorial to the Rockstar song by Blind C, but this time it's gonna be the Rockstar song by DaBaby. And a big thanks to Cale for creating this awesome dance. If you don't know who he is, go check out his stuff. Now, Cale already has a tutorial on his TikTok, so if you haven't watched that one yet, go check it out. This tutorial is only meant for the ones that are still struggling after having watched his. And as always, thank you guys so much for all the requests, and thank you, Joyce, for being the first one to request it. Now, I'm gonna break the dance into two parts to make it easier to learn, but if you're a fast learner, you can always skip to the full dance preview and run through. Okay, let me show you a quick preview of part one. It goes, Brenda Lamborghini, na 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 na, and a pistol on my head. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, stop. Boom. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Alright, so let me break it down for you step by step. What you want to do is take your left arm and place it here in the front, and your shirt from the side. Your right is saying swing back, front, back. Yeah, just here on the side. Back, front, back. If you want, you can go step, step, step in the spot, or you can just bounce, 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 or maybe don't do anything at all. Just boom, boom, boom. So from here, you want to say the right is swinging up and the left is going in, like that. Whoa, yeah. So the right is going in front of the left, alright? And just show it from the side. I just did wah, 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 and then up. So from up here, you want to swing both arms to your left. Boom. You want to go round, 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 stop. Now, the song is, or the dance is pretty fast, so maybe you want to keep it a bit smaller so that you can make it, yeah? So you can even just do like that, a T-Rex version. So you just did swing to the left, now you want to swing to the right, around, stop, here, yeah? So let's just go from here, yeah? I want to swing to the, one round to the left, and then one round to the right. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. Swing to the left, swing to the right. Let's just take it from the top. We want to go walk, 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 and right up. You want to go swing to your left and swing to your right. All right, I'm going to go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're going to start walk, walk, walk. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go walk, 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 swing up and left, side, right, side. Okay, so we just said swing left, swing right. From here, you want to say wavy. Let me just show you from the top view. So from here, you want to, your arms are saying cross, out, in again, out. Yes, it's like we're swimming with our hands. Boom, out, cross, out. You want to do 2 of these, yeah? Now, when you go back up, you want to go up, and then you want to go down, and then up, back to your hips. So, let me just show from the side. I go 1, 2, and up, down, pull, back. Now this goes pretty fast, so you want to keep it small. Yeah, you don't have time to do this. Yeah, just keep it in here. Whoop, here. All right. So 1, 2, up, down, back. Let's just try that. 5, 6. We're gonna do 1, 2, up, down. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go cross, cross, down, here. Let's try that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go cross, cross, down, here. Okay, so for the next part, we're gonna practice this bouncy thing, yeah? So just stand like this with your feet a bit apart, and then you want to go bounce, 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 yeah? Just do this a couple of times. Now place your hands like this, yeah? Boom, 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 boom. Now let's do the transition. So it's boom, 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 yeah? So when I bring this back, I wanna go, yeah, step out with my right. So we're gonna go boom, boom, down, up. And when I go back, I say step, boom. Yeah, so I land as soon as my hands are back. Yeah, so boom. So let's just try to go cross, cross, down, back. Let's practice that transition. So cross, cross, here. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go cross, cross, down, up, here. Let's try that again. Remember, take a step to your right. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go cross, cross, down, up, step. All right. Now let's do cross, cross, down, up, step, bounce, 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 and so on. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go cross, cross, down, up, bounce, 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 bounce. It's 6 times you want to bounce, so it's boom, boom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then back to the center. Yeah? One more time with a bounce. Remember 6 times and then stop. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go cross, cross, down, up, bounce, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, back. And then the very last move of part 1, it is right after bounce, 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 bounce. You want to take your right, go up, and then say down in front of your face. Okay guys, now let's do it from the tip to top. Let me just do a quick recap here. We did from the tip to top, we did back and back, swing right up front, now swing left side, boom, right side, boom. Now we want to say cross, cross, down, up, bounce, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, center, and boom. Now let me explain the timing as well. So it goes brand new Lamborghini, nana, ka, nothing, da, pistol on my hip like I'm a cop, 3, 4, 5, 6, stop, and a reel. That's a cue, reel. Okay, let's practice that a few times. So we're gonna start slow and then we're gonna gradually speed up. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. Brand new Lamborghini, nana, ka, and a pistol on my hip like I'm a cop. 3, 4, 5, 6, center, and a reel. Let's try that a bit faster. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. Brand new Lamborghini, nana, ka, and a pistol on my hip like I'm a cop. 3, 4, 5, 6, stop, and a reel. Let's try it one last time. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Brand new Lamborghini, nana, ka, and a pistol on my hip like I'm a cop. 3, 4, 5, 6, stop, and a reel.